It's Friday and we're wrapping our week up out here in Brandywine on the Sound Side. Good morning, Trish.
Good morning, Kenny. How are you?
I am well. We are going into what we would consider the kickoff of summer, but more importantly, Memorial Day weekend.
Absolutely.
And we'd like to honor all of our fallen soldiers and keep their families in our hearts and prayers.
Absolutely.
And we thank them for serving for our country.
It's a very special weekend to honor them.
Absolutely. And in the real estate world, we are at our newest listing, 171 Drum Inlet here in Brandywine Bay.
Exactly. And it is a great condo. It's right around 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, unfurnished.
Move-in ready?
Oh, yeah. And the landscaping is fabulous out here with large old live oak, so it's just really nice.
It really is. And the amenities here, behind us is the community dock.
Exactly.
You have a pool.
Tennis court.
Playground.
Exactly. And if you love to walk, or you have pets or dogs that you like to walk, this is absolutely a perfect place to do that.
Absolutely. You don't even feel like you're in a condo complex out here with this backdrop.
Exactly. It's just so nice.
And there's tons of festivities this weekend. There's multiple 5Ks. There's a fun run. You can do the beaches. You can boat. My favorite thing to do is boat with my family.
That's right. And I'm a pool girl.
I know you are. We'll see you at that country club pool with Kat.
Okay.
And be sure to check out this condo tomorrow, Saturday, from 9 to 11.
9 to 11. I'll be there. Can't wait to see you and show you this lovely, lovely, really nice condominium.
Absolutely. And from our family to yours, we're wishing you a safe Memorial Day weekend. We'll see you guys.
Absolutely. Bye-bye.